Caulking a tub after installing vinyl flooring requires a tight, waterproof bead that looks clean and professional. Start by choosing the right caulk, a high-quality silicone or silicone blend labeled for bathrooms and flooring, color matched to either tile or tub to hide the joint. Remove any old residue and make sure the gap is dry and free of dust or soap scum by wiping with a rag, dampened with rubbing alcohol and letting it evaporate. Mask both the tub edge and the vinyl face with painter's tape, leaving a narrow channel that matches the desired bead width to keep lines straight. Cut the caulk cartridge tip at a 45-degree angle and at a size that will fill the gap without overfilling. Test on cardboard first. Apply steady pressure and move the gun at a consistent speed, laying a continuous bead so joints do not have gaps or overlaps. Immediately tool the bead by running a wet finger or a dedicated silicone finishing tool along the seam, maintaining light, even pressure to press caulk into the joint and shape a concave profile that sheds water. The most common issue is a damp or contaminated joint, so the caulk will not adhere. Fix this by thoroughly drying and cleaning with alcohol and waiting until fully dry before applying. Another frequent mistake is using the wrong product. Avoid acrylic latex if exposure to constant water is expected and switch to pure silicone or a silicone hybrid designed for flooring and tubs. A third problem is overworking or waiting too long to tool, which creates ridges or gaps. Tool immediately after application with a wet finger or tool and remove tape while the caulk is still wet so edges stay crisp. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share tips and photos about finishes like tub-to-floor caulking. We help contractors find project leads and homeowners find options while supporting peer-to-peer advice in our forums.